1975. They called me the naked chef, not because I didn't wear any clothes, but because I thought the food should be brought down into its most basic form. No fancy sauces and strange chemicals, only honest naked food. I started cooking when I was 8 in the kitchen of my parents' pub called the Cricketers. By the time I was 11, I could chop so fast that everybody was amazed at my speed. I could transform simple ingredients into delicious dishes and impress all the adults I working with me. To learn more, I left school at 16 and joined the technical college. That's where I studied food and nutrition. Afterwards, I got a job in a restaurant called the River Cafe. That's where I was spotted by a TV producer who saw a spark in me, and he offered me my own TV show. Burden likes me a lot because I'm funny, charming, and the food I make looks stunning. Another thing that mattered to me was the food it was being given in schools. Instead of nutritious and healthy meals, children were given fatty, low-quality food. Instead of looking after them, schools were making them unwell. In my TV show, I tried to prove that healthy food has not to be expensive, boring, or messy, but it could be bright, exciting, and cheap too. I feel lucky when I was young and brave enough to find my passion and use this passion as a way to make the world better. All I ever wanted is to make healthy food accessible to everyone, and I certainly succeeded in doing so.